I chose to study at SJ because of the learnings, knowledge, and most especially the values that are given to us by our teachers. Our teachers are so committed to their roles and responsibilities to their students. I really love SJ because of its peaceful environment. We Jeromeans treat each other as if we were like brothers and sisters. It is how we practice the values that we have learned from our mentors.
St. John's Academy because all the teachers were kind, understanding, and patient to all the students. St. John's Academy has a high quality of service when it comes to education. That's why I choose St. John's Academy.
I chose St. John's Academy as my school, or second home, to became a part of the Jeromean Academy because the teachers here give their best to give us knowledge, not only by academics, but also spiritually, and they teach us to be as dignified persons within you. And be successful person for the future. Medals is not a guarantee for success. It's about following God and making Him the goal of our lives. And that's what I learned the most from here in this video.
Naiiba tong school na to dahil we don't go to the status quo. Kahit sila confident, maging sino talaga sila. At dito, estudyante mga plus teachers, hindi nalilimutan ang prayers.
Dahil ang turo dito ay maayos at dahil sa mga teachers na well-educated at mas involved tayo sa religious activities gaya ng mas at mga pagdirektor.
About knowledge, give them the information that they need, but also it builds values they need to be able to be a good citizen of our country. Catholic school is also a good source of education because you are not only given the opportunity to study the theories, the complexities of life, but also how to put Christ in your life.
First and foremost, I am a graduate of St. John's Academy, elementary and high school. So, alam ko yung right values, good manners, and right conduct. At yun dapat input sa isang bata para lumaki siyang isang marunong, magalang, at higit sa lahat, yung pinapahalagahan ng kapwa-tao. Sa ngayon kasi, sa dami ng mga nag-aaral, sa dami ng estudyante, hindi na matutukan ng isang school ang mga estudyante, lalo na yung kanilang mga ugali dahil sa dami. So, in a Catholic school, lalo na medyo hindi yung karamihan naman, natututukan yung good manners and right conduct. Kasi sa ngayon, wala ng good manners and right conduct. Right values. Hindi katulad noong araw na merong good manners and right conduct. Ngayon, values na ang tawag nila. Pero, ganun pa man, siguro, pareho na rin yun. Yun ang pinakamahalaga sa isang magulang. Yung matutukan ang tamang pag-uugali ng kanyang anak para dala-dala niya yun hanggang sa siya ay magkaroon ng pamilya at isasalin naman niya yun sa kanyang pamilya. So, kung ang anak mo ay lumaki sa isang komunidad na hindi maganda, ay hindi nang maibibigay niya sa kanyang magiging anak. So, why choose Catholic school? Because, syempre, narito yung kung saan matututunan yung sa Diyos, para sa Diyos, at para sa tao.